it's your girl Jacob Palmer back again with another video. Once again, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Jacob Palmer. Here we learn how to do our hair, skincare, and a little bit of everything else in between. So let's get straight into this video because I am in a rush. I want to try a new hairstyle, kind of. I haven't tried it yet, but we're gonna give it a try. It's like the slick back that people with short hair do. I just wash my hair and stuff. I'm gonna start with the back, obviously, because I want to try and have like a side part, and I don't really got that much time to try even get ready or nothing. So we're gonna put like a dollop in the back. I'm just gonna try and smooth it all over our heads. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the front part. So I'm gonna have kind of like a side part, but I gotta apply the gel and brush it first. I gotta try and tame it, then we're gonna get to that. I'm gonna go and fix my side part in the mirror. And okay, so I fixed my side part. Okay, so it's done, pretty much. So I'm just gonna do my edges. Some pretty hard gel, so I'm pretty sure you can swoop, swoop. The bag might look a little bulky, but the bag's none of my business. I'll just do a little edge over here. Okay, now I'm gonna go tie it up and I'm gonna do my makeup. So let's go. Okay, I might kind of be fucking with this. Aussie Moist hairspray. I ain't never tried it, but I have used Aussie Moist products before. So we're just gonna say flip it and give it a shot. I'm gonna spread it all over. The store that I went to, they didn't have Got To Be. So we gotta make it do what it do. We're just gonna, this is just a hairstyle we're trying. I never did this before.